But what I'm going to touch upon a lot today is the brotherhood that we lack. The brotherhood that we lack within the deen of Allah. The brotherhood that was gifted and honored to us that we lack. Just the other day, what was it, the 24th? I was in Birmingham. And this is something that disgusts me, because every single person thinks that they have the true Islam. You may have the true Islam based on what you preach, how you conduct yourself. But the reality is, bro, I was on Coventry Road in Birmingham. I came across a few brothers. I went to go and salam them, and I'm getting their eyes rolled at me. This is not from the deen of Allah. This is not from Islam. Let me make it clear. It is upon the Muslim that he has rights over you, that if he salams you, you reply. It don't mean you're better than anyone, bro. This is the deen of Allah. I'm sick and tired of brothers that think that their Islam is better than anyone else. Islam came as a perfection. It perfects every single thing that it touches. And people think that they already have the green card to go into Jannah. I'm salaming brothers and brothers are rolling up their eyes. What makes you better than me, bro? I understand I'm a waste man. I'm below you in knowledge, in etiquette, in manners. But your character that you're portraying towards a brother is not from the characteristics of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I'm tired of it, bro. Brothers think they're better than one another. Look around you. Some brothers are dark-skinned. Some brothers are light-skinned. Some brothers are pale like me. Some brothers come from a different culture. But every single one of us, we are united upon La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. So if your culture or your texture or your skin tone, you think you're better than the brother sitting next to you, my brother, let me give you a big wake-up call. You want to get headbutt, come to me, bro. I will headbutt you to knock some sense into you. It's not from Islam, bro. Wake up. The Muslims are suffering, Akhi. And we're sitting in the West and we have this freedom of living in the UK where we can speak how we speak. My Akhi, my dear respected brother, my dear respected sister, please understand that you will enter Jannah only through Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. You're not going to enter Jannah because of someone else's opinion. You're not going to enter Jannah because this person thinks this about you or that person thinks that. No, bro. You're going to enter Jannah through Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam stated this. The companions replied and looked at him, even you, Ya Rasulullah, even though you're the best of creation, even you, he said, even me, I'm going to enter Jannah through Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy. So what makes you think that just because you have more knowledge than me, you are hafiz of the Quran, you studied in Middle East for a few years, you come back to the West and you think you're better than everyone else. But yet your character and your behavior and how you move, and you think by putting other people down, let me make it clear to you, bro, you're nothing but a waste man like me. You're nothing but a layman like me. Because a true believer is someone that another Muslim is free from his speech and his hands. That he's not attacked by his speech and his hands. How many of us, we come together, we backbite with one another, Akhi. We backbite. Akhi, the same brothers you're with, and I've seen it. One brother says to me, Akhi, I'm ready to get married. There's a sister I got in mind. Okay, Allahumma barak. Once your own friends, your own boys are sitting around you, find out who the sister is, wallahi, they find a way to contact her and goes, even though he's my friend, but this is what he's doing behind closed doors. This is the type of person he is. This is how he is my man does weed, my man smokes shisha, my man buns vaping, my man commits zina with other girls till today, but yeah, he wants to settle down and be married to you. How many men do I know that do this? Love for your brother what you love for yourself does not exist. And if you claim this, then you are a liar. The best way for you to show this is through your actions, bro. Through your etiquette and your manners. Put your differences aside, Akhi. There's people dying for nothing other than La ilaha illallah. Why are you dying, bro? There's people that are being alcoholics, they're dying in car accidents. People are overdosing on drugs. People are injecting drugs. Just 2 days ago, a 16-year-old killed his own mother in the UK. So don't tell me what drugs are doing to you, bro. Don't tell me what following the companions, your circle, does to you. Made you chef up your own mum. And we want victory, bro. And we want victory within the Muslim Ummah.